Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video we're going to be learning how to drape a bra cup, which I used in making this beautiful yoked corset dress for myself. If that's something you're interested in, do make sure to keep watching and let's get started. So yeah, to do this you need your bra cup, you're needing pins and the fabric that you'll be using to cover the bra cup. So yeah, the first thing we'll be doing now will be to measure the bra cup. It's measuring 6. I'll be adding 4 inches, making use of 10, so I will have enough fabric at the top and also at the bottom. Measuring the bra cup also sideways, and it's measuring 8 inches. Multiplying it by 5 gives me 40, so I will have enough fabric to cover the bra cup. So yeah, the fabric we need should be measuring 40 inches. So yeah, it's measuring 20 because it's on fold. Once it's open, it will be measuring 40 inches. So the first thing I'll be doing now will be to go ahead and mark the middle of the material of the fabric like so, and also notch the middle of the bra cup by folding it into like so, and notching the top, and also notching the bottom of the bra cup like so. Basically what you see me do. And now that we've done that, I'm just going to go ahead now and place the bra cup onto the fabric by opening it to the wrong side like so, and ensuring that that notched part and that marked part that I marked with the chalk aligns here. So I'm just going to go ahead now and pin that top down with my safety pin. Just pin it down and also pin the bottom. But yeah, before I do that, I have to ensure that it's sitting flat. So you have to turn it to the right side and ensure that it's sitting flat, and then you pin it down also. So now that you've pinned the top and the bottom down, next now will be to go ahead and create your pleats. So yeah, I'm just going to start creating my first pleat like so. Pin it down at the top, and then you arrange it like so, and also pin it down at the bottom. So that's basically it. Arrange your second pleat also like so, then you pin it down at the top, and then you kind of stretch the fabric so that it lays flat on the bra cup, and then you pin it down at the bottom. And that's basically it, just for you to continue pleating your fabric, pinning it down at the top, at the bottom, pleating your fabric. And yeah, that's it. After I was done with one side, this is how one side it's looking. Yeah, this is how it's looking in the inside. The next thing will be to create the pleats on the other direction. So yeah, if I want the pleat to have this kind of at the middle, for them to just kind of meet like a kissing pleat, I don't know if you get what that means. So I'll be pleating this other one to this direction, then pinning it down at the top, and then arranging the fabric like so in a way that it sits flat on the bra cup, and then pinning it down at the bottom also. You see how it meets in the middle, right? So yeah, I'm just going to continue pleating it. It's the same way we did for the other side. And after I was done, this is what it's looking like it's looking so beautiful. Yeah, so the next now will be to just get rid of some of the excess fabric, and then I'm going to head over to my sewing machine and then give it a stitch from one end at the tip all around the bra cup and back to where we started. So after I was done stitching, this is what it was looking like. The next thing I will be to go ahead and get rid of the safety pins. And then I've gotten rid of safety pins, I'm just going to go ahead now and cut off the excess fabric there. Yeah, and these are looking so pretty. The next thing I will be to go ahead now and just press this down with an iron. And to do that, I'll be making use of this bust ham that I made. So yeah, it's not supposed to be ironed flat towards the bra cup, so I'm just going to be making use of this to give it a good press so that it just lies flat. And after I was done ironing it, this is what it was looking like looking so beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you learned. If you did, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on our future videos. So our next video will be on how to cut and sew a corset with a yoke. I'm sure you want to miss out on that. So yeah, do make sure you're subscribed and your notification bells are turned on so you don't miss out when the video comes up. Thank you guys for watching once again. Bye bye and see you in my next video.